Wipro looked at a more proactive solution-driven approach of DR management solution. We can automate the complete DC, DR, failover, failback and all the processes. We could reduce the human workforce required. We can decrease the time required to switch from DC to DR, and we can provide the cost efficiency. We can provide the better ROI and least errors which can contribute to affecting availability of your equipment. And that is when Wipro partnered with Sanovi, and that's a combination where you have the best of the breed product and best of the breed competency to deliver and manage that coming into play. And with that partnership, today we have been able to go to customers and proactively position DR management solutions, ensuring that the DC to DR and DR to DC failovers and failbacks happen with much lesser time, happen with much lesser workforce, happen with much lesser errors, and thereby increasing the continuous availability. To me, Wipro's partnering with Sanovi was one of the inflection points which can ensure that there is a better business continuity to our customers and there is a better growth for both Wipro and Sanovi. Wipro and Sanovi have vowed to ensure that we take the technology and transform it to give business continuity and solution from Sanovi. And we have a very competent workforce from Wipro to implement it. And most importantly, we have commitment on either side to ensure that we are ready to propose better and better. So we have trainings, technology trainings, the pre-sales trainings that are required for the workforce to take the solution ahead. Also, we have been doing a lot of proof of concept and demos of the Sanovi products. We have a center of excellence in our own premises. We also can build a COE or a test scenario at the customer place and demonstrate the solution. We have also been able to run some go-to-market events specific to each industry vertical. Wipro has partnered very aggressively with Sanovi to proactively reach out to all their customers who run mission critical environments where the 4 nines, 5 nines, uptimes, continuous availability is of paramount importance, and we have been positioning these solutions. So when it comes to monitoring the DR, when it comes to doing DR drills in a very automated fashion, when it comes to implementing an effective DR which gives the desired RPO and RTO objectives to customer, we have been leading along with Sanovi.
Some of those things are making a win-win solution for both organizations. We interact with customers at a larger estate level and a landscape level, and with our experience, a lot of IT impact internally to customers is around the human error factor which goes in. The banking industry and some of the moves mandated by the RBI on the DR side, and some of the natural disasters which are occurring around. While if you ask me, most of them are human-led in the IT side, are propelling customers to very see that discussion with us. So in that sum, clearly DR is there to stand out, and any organization, and for Wipro is wanting to take lead in that clearly along with Sanovi. It's a differentiating strategy and how we go about doing DR drills, how the software is behind it. Some of these things will really go a long way in ensuring leadership. Wipro-Sanovi relationship, it's come a long way. They're clearly getting in a very strong tool which has got strong reporting, and some of the cut in DR drill time, the automation which it brings in on so typically customer could discretionally decide on certain applications and keep extending the list. The automation, especially for a large number of applications which puts in together, really cuts down for sure the drill time. So the impact goes on to our experience close to 60 to 70%, which really helps efficiency and rigor into the whole process. Second, because of this as an offshoot of this, it clearly brings down the human effort and hence the human error into it. So on numbers, if you look, it brings down close to 50% of effort cut on this, and obviously proportionate error if not more. So 2-3 areas, and coupled with this, the dashboards which at the end of it which come out clearly saying how many DR drills have gone, which application is covered from a historical standpoint, and from an audit and rigor perspective, really go in from a compliance perspective also, and hence from a risk assessment and mitigation perspective.